Should you rent an apartment near a subway stop? Watch this quick video for the answer and subscribe below so you don't miss my other real estate tips. Hi, I'm Phil, the founder of Frele, the free and honest rental marketplace where you could find your next home. This rental tip comes to you from a brand new subway stop on the 7 line in Manhattan, the Hudson Yard stop at 34th and 11th Avenue. You should strongly consider renting an apartment near a subway stop in New York City. The New York City subway is an amazing subway system. It's the largest transit system in the world. Most New Yorkers rely on the subway. In fact, most New Yorkers don't even own a car. But with 27 different subway lines in the city, you want to make sure you live next to the right subway line, the one that gets you to work and to all your social events. Just keep in mind that all else being equal, your rent will be higher if you live near a subway line. Great subway access is very sought after in New York City. For more on this or other New York City apartment tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to Frēlē.com/learn. And remember, you can always find your next home on Frele.com.